In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this rough plastic material. This is how the material surface looks like. I don't know why, but this material won't work with Eevee. I remember being able to use the same material on Eevee on the previous versions of Blender, but it's not working on mine anymore. I'll show you what to do to avoid crashing Blender when working with a certain set of nodes that I'll be showing you shortly. Here are the full nodes, and I wanted to make this tutorial to show you how to avoid crashing Blender while working with a bump node. I was experimenting with the nodes, and realized I could connect the bump nodes to the displacement node as well. That works without any issues, but if I change the material's displacement method to displacement and bump, Blender will crash. This is the effect of the noise texture and the bump nodes. Please remember to save your work frequently, because if I do this, and change the displacement method, Blender will crash. At first the material won't show up. Blender is now frozen. I opened the saved file and rendered the scene. These are my composite nodes. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.